If you think you're protecting your photos, check-ins, and things you like on Facebook by posting a status, you're wrong. A widely circulated disclaimer is popping up again in social media. The post claims to protect people from Facebook using their content without their consent, but it's a hoax.
My teenage sons were giving my husband some grief that he fell for it and copied and pasted the disclaimer on his Facebook page.
Valerie Barrero, director of the Intellectual Property Law Clinic at USC, says a status post is meaningless. The only way to alter the contract you made with Facebook when you accepted its terms of use is to modify your privacy settings.
We've gotten so accustomed to just accepting terms of use. We're often doing it on the go or while we're multitasking. And the fact that it's easy to execute doesn't mean that the rights that you're giving up are any less important than the rights that you would be giving up if in fact you were sitting at a desk reading it and signing it on the dotted line.
People have a lot of anxiety about the intimate moments they share on Facebook, and that's why hoaxes like this gain traction.
I think he's trying to protect his family, the rest of us, from having our images used or put places that they shouldn't be or something like that.
Barrero says that the bottom line is when you accept the terms of use from a social media platform, you are granting it a license.
I think the import of that significance is diminished by the fact that even though they don't own it, they still have the ability to use it in a way that they see fit according to the privacy settings, which is why it's so important that people adjust their privacy settings.
Barrero says you can adjust your privacy settings for past posts that will be affected for those posts going forward. But what's already out there is out there, so be sure to keep your settings up to date.